can't come on Instagram because give me no motivational speech today, you know. Unless you go up on the wall. You have to go up on the wall. What you say?
I'm coming.
You what?
I was gonna come and look.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna come and climb.
You're gonna come and climb?
I'm coming and climbing.
Okay.
This is my last workout for the year, so I'm gonna go with a bang.
Ah! Today we're going on the wall. A lot of people don't know. I have a fear of that wall, which is why I'm going back up there. And I've convinced Krystal, it's her last day in the gym, to go with me. Because I have to do this. Right, Goody?
Yes, Goody.
Alright.
Jesus. What's the heaviest you've been?
I can go from the top, but I just don't want to run and jump off.
Oh, so kind of hold on to the thing.
Stay
come
climbing,
back down,
climbing back down until it gets square, right? You just say and then you just let go from the top.
Wow.
I don't want you to jump from that. Yeah.
I see.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm not sure again.
Come carnival, buddy. Baller and carnival. Google legs. Baller legs. Ah, noodle legs.
Yeah. Go Sparky!
This is my second time.
Your second time.
Ready?
There you go. Pat on the back.
You got this, man. Lightweight.
Yes, girl.
Rasta boogie.
Rasta boogie, she said. Come on, just find your grip.
Love this. Oh my God.
Nah, man, that's excuses.
Excuses.
We don't work with that.
So we far like I already come, man.
I don't want to like.
Let's go, Sparky.
Sparky!
Whoa.
Krystal, she's an inspiration, man.
We're not going next, you know. Almost there, Sparky! And then when you reach up there, go jump high. When you reach up,
Alright. What do you mean, oh? Find it.
get up there.
Find the hole. Find the hole. Then
hole.
yeah.
There you go. Hands up now.
Stand up now.
Stand up. There she is.
Alright.
Alright,
Show me hands.
There you go. There you go. Jump.
Jump. Good thing you don't. Good thing you don't need your legs to come back down.
It's jumping out.
Turn around. You jump up, bro. Turn around. I'll climb back down. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
She afraid of. Alright. Climb down one more time.
One more time now. Then jump off.
Alright.
Jump off.
Let go right now and jump. Hey, we are go, let go now.
I got fight.
Watch me now. Look for me. Look for me. Look at me. Hold on. Rajan. Look at me. Take one hand and hold on. And then you count to 3, take the second hand and hold on. That's it. Second hand. One hand. Ready. Yeah? And then the second hand. Let's go. Squeeze it. Hold it.
Get rid of your fear.
Come on.
Trust in the machine.
Your second hand now. That's not comfort one. That's no comfort at all one. Sparks.
Trust in the machine.
Hold it and then push off and hold the next one. Let's just hold them together. You got this. I'm telling you. That's the only way I come down. That's the only way I come down. Hey, no negativity. No negativity. And negativity, I stay done this, sir.
Trust me. It's gonna be alright. Alright? Slowly raise the hands and the palms.
Sparks, a 5. Yay!
Hey. There you go.
Sparks, 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later.
Krystal rejoice and I see.
Second time I'm telling you. No, I'm afraid of it. The last time I went up there, I was up there for a very, very, very long
40
time.
feet, let's go.
So I really just wanted to try and kind of overcome.
You're doing good so far, Krystal. You're almost halfway through.
Yeah, there you go. A round of applause.
I have to tell you, I'm really
Let's
proud of
go.
Krystal. It was her
There you
first
go.
time and she handled it like a champ.
Ah, there you go. Ah. Come down now.
Come down. Wow.
Push off with your legs.
Push off.
And use your legs to cushion if you're supposed to lick up in the wall again.
Wait for what?
Yes.
Ready? Come on. One on first, one on, and then the second one. One on, yeah. Second one now. And push off.
Push off the legs. Come on, it's a leap of faith. It's a leap of faith.
Hey.
No. Come on.
Fastest way down.
Hold on for it.
It's the jump. Hold on, buddy. Yeah.
There you go. Next hand now. Come on. Follow my count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening.
Go to 1 more time. Ready?
1 more time.
Yeah? 5,
Don't listen to us. Breathe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Let's go. One on.
You got it.
Both hands on the rope. Both hands on the rope.
Breathe.
Both hands on the rope.
Calm down your heart rate.
Take your time. We don't know.
Both hands on the rope. In 3, 2, and 1. Both hands. Ah.
Done.
Hey, but see our soul.
Hey.
See our soul while
Hey.
Yo.
Hey.
Let me get that.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey. No, but look how him a move like a pro.
Elite one.
I lie, him a tell you now. Him go up there already, you know.
40 more seconds.
Him go up there already, you know.
Yeah, 40 more seconds.
Him go up there already, you know.
25 seconds left.
25
Watch ya.
seconds left to go, man. Hurry.
Watch ya.
Go to the top and back down.
That's
to
30
forward.
seconds. Hurry.
You have 30 seconds left, yeah.
That's 35. What?
Yeah.
Hey, that's 40 seconds. 20 seconds left.
No, he made this look too easy. This not right.
Stand up.
Show your hand.
You have 15 seconds to get down.
Ready. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Ready.
You have 10 seconds.
Ready, let's jump.
8,
Let's jump. Sit
6,
down and jump.
5, 4,
Up,
3, 2,
1. Ready.
come on.
Ready.
That's what he said. You not come down there.
Nah, fucking not come on, man.
Oh! Come! High five! High five! High five! Woo! Yes, man. Noodles. Hey, Noodle foot them a shake, you know. I know go on the foot them a shake, you know. Yeah, man. You got this, Noodles. You got this, Noodles.
I don't think I'll be so nervous.
Watch Eminem, man. Leg them a shake. Hand wet. Wipe off your hand them.
Alright, come on, tell you. Ready? Go.
Come, go. Up.
Him leg them long, man. Him a go reach fast.
Watch the man that's keep shooting around him.
That are the long limb advantage. Watch ya! Watch ya! Watch ya!
Professional.
Leg strength! Why?
Jump.
No, I'm doing this for a living. Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya.
Show off, you know. Show off.
No, noodles, you go too fast now.
Noodles, take your time.
Whoa!
Take your time, dude.
Whoa!
There you go.
Whoa!
Out to the top.
No, sir, noodle reach up there in no time.
Are you gonna stand up now? Reach him. That's crazy. Reach him.
Jump, 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 jump,
Hands
jump.
out, hands out, hands out.
Jump.
Good. Now come around, come down to get Spry.
Yo, what is it?
Jump! No, don't jump down front now. Come down to the get Spry. Let's turn around, turn around, turn around. There you go.
Don't afraid, just jump the man.
There you go. Find the next step. There, from right there, you're gonna push off the wall and release your hands. Push off,
Push off the man.
push off, release
Leg
your
them
hands.
a shaking over there. Leg them.
There you go.
Whoa!
There you go.
Woo! Come, high five, high five. Woo! How was it?
Man, that was scary. That was scary. I just got it that one still.